I love honesty. And I have this very astute radar.
Astute is an adjective and it describes a person who is quick, sharp, and clever to understand a situation. She made an astute decision by investing early in the new bond. His astute observation helped him solve the mystery quickly. It was an astute decision to ask for a written contract. Astute radar means an exceptionally keen ability to interpret hidden information. The manager's astute radar for picking talent helped her to build a strong team. So, be observant, be sharp, be astute. Use astute in a sentence below and follow for more smart English words used by natives.